What happens when betrayal throws an innocent boy into a dark well? Can fate survive jealousy, slavery, prison, and years of separation? This is the extraordinary journey of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam from betrayal to honor by the will of Allah. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam was the beloved son of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam, a noble prophet of Allah. Allah blessed Yusuf with remarkable beauty, wisdom, and a pure heart. But his life would become one of the most powerful stories of patience and destiny in the Quran. One night, young Yusuf shared a mysterious dream with his father. He saw 11 stars, the sun and the moon bowing before him. Yaqub understood the dream carried a defined future but warned him to keep it secret. Jealousy began to grow in the hearts of Yusuf's brother. They took him into a desert and threw into a deep well. But Allah protected Yusuf as a caravan later rescued him.